See like how you got these tents in the plastic from the bottom, like so, and then it just feels a little bit independent of the base. It's doing a little bit of tall fan. If I put it on the floor, 32-inch tower fan from ASDA. Status is their brand. In the box you get that and this. So to put it together, firstly you want to unscrew this cap here. So here you'll see this unscrews off from the bottom like so, and then these go together like so. You'll see there's like a little clip there, so you just line them up, and then this goes onto here. Did I do that right? I should have put the cable through first. So if you do what I did, you can hold these here. You need to feed the cable through the hole and then clip it together. And once it clips into place, there, there's little divots there which you need to line up with the, so you'll see if that's in place, and then we can screw. There you go. You see it took a few attempts there. I'm doing this as we do it so you can see how difficult it can be. Tighten that, and then you can use little grooves here to put the cable through as such, and it comes out of here. And tall fan, if I put it on the floor, comes up to my hip. I'm 5'8". So what we have here, we have off. So if I go 1, feels a little bit flimsy, but for the price, I don't know why does that feel so, why is that so tippy? The one I got from Aldi wasn't as tippy, so it feels a little bit, quality of it is not excellent, it's a bit, see that? So I've tightened that quite tight. It just feels a little bit independent of the base. It's doing a little bit of movement there, but yeah, that's being a bit extra. So 2, 3, off. Just go on the top, and then 1, 2, 3, off. 1 and spinning, 2 and spinning, 3 and spinning. So I have fast air for the spin, and what's this one? Off. It's probably like a timer maybe. That feels a bit, okay, that's a timer. So about an hour and a half and it'll turn off. I don't know, feels very, I don't like it. Status, a little bit cheap, and the buttons feel a little bit flimsy, it's a little bit topply. Let's see how loud it is. So on full volume, and let's do a spin as well. Put on the floor, see if it makes a difference. Yeah, it's alright. Off. A little bit of a timer. Yeah, if you're thinking about buying it, £28 is what I paid for it. the one we got from Lidl was £20, and the Lidl one felt a lot better quality. Who makes this? Who is the actual manufacturer? Does it say? It's made by Status International UK Limited, Bradford. So it's not ASDA's. It's the ASDA brand, but yeah, it just feels a little bit flimsy. Even see like the details here. Can you see that? See like how you got these dents in the plastic. Just very cheaply made. If at a pinch it'll be okay, but the air is not excellent. It doesn't make a noise. It does, but not a lot when it spins. So overall status, I'm giving it like maybe 2 stars out of 5 stars for this. Just feels a little bit. See, look at that. Look at the finishing. Look, you see all this, and the back almost looks a different color to the front. These casings. See that? What I mean? Actually, I might be taking this back. I think. Even the base is a different color to that. If it's making a noise, it's because of that timer, so check that timer. So in summary, I do not like the fan, and I feel like I will be returning it. This is from ASDA Status fan. It's a 3-speed oscillating portable fan, and it's got apparently ergonomic design, oscillating fan, and it's supposed to be 3 speeds with a timer, but the buttons feel a bit flimsy, and as I mentioned earlier, it's just a little bit rickety. And just behind there, just to give you a full idea of what it actually is, it's the Status. That's the model number, and it's 45 watts. It's actually made by statusinternational.co.uk. So that's the fan. So consider your options carefully if you are thinking about buying it, because I feel like you could pick up a better option from Lidl or Aldi. Here's a quick look at me struggling while I was setting it up, because the nut in the bottom was actually misaligned and misthreaded. So I'll leave you a little clip here to see how I struggled to do that, and I had to use a butter knife to jam it unlocked. So to put it together, firstly you want to unscrew this cap here. Which appears to be stuck.